Mini Cooper turbo not working. Signs of turbo failure. Is your Mini Cooper suddenly feeling slow, sluggish, or just not as fun to drive? If your turbo isn't working properly, you'll notice the difference immediately. Turbo issues can quickly turn into expensive repairs if ignored. Let's talk about the most common signs of turbo failure and what you should check first. 1. Loss of power and slow acceleration. One of the biggest signs of a failing turbo is loss of power. If your Mini Cooper feels weak when you press the accelerator, or it struggles to pick up speed, your turbo may not be building proper boost pressure. You might notice delayed acceleration, poor highway merging performance, and reduced overall engine response. When the turbo isn't forcing enough air into the engine, performance drops instantly. 2. Excessive exhaust smoke. Another major red flag is unusual exhaust smoke. Blue smoke usually means oil is leaking into the combustion chamber. Black smoke can indicate too much fuel or improper air-fuel mixture. A damaged turbo seal can allow oil to leak into the exhaust system, causing visible smoke, especially during acceleration. If you see smoke consistently, don't ignore it. 3. Whining or siren-like noise. Hear a high-pitched whining or siren sound while accelerating? That could be worn turbo bearings. As the internal components wear out, they create unusual noises that get louder as RPM increases. This is often one of the earliest warning signs before complete failure. 4. Check engine light and boost issues. If your check engine light comes on, it may be related to boost pressure problems. Common issues include boost leaks, a faulty wastegate. A diagnostic scan can confirm whether the issue is directly turbo-related. 5. Increased oil consumption. Noticing your Mini Cooper burning more oil than usual? Failing turbo seals can allow oil to leak internally, increasing oil consumption. If left unchecked, this can lead to engine damage, not just turbo failure. What should you do? If you notice any of these symptoms, avoid aggressive driving. Check oil levels regularly and get a proper diagnostic scan. Catching turbo problems early can save you thousands in repair costs. Your Mini Cooper is built for fun driving, but only when the turbo is healthy. If performance drops or strange symptoms appear, don't wait. Diagnose it early and keep your boost strong.